Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see a design and implementation of XS3 to BCD converter in a Electric Circuit Studio app in mobile phone. We can download this Electric Circuit Studio app in Play Store, and I am Mahalakshmi from B11 batch. What is XS3? XS3 binary code is an unweighted self-complementary BCD code. What is self-complementary? Self-complementary is a property which means one's complement of an XS3 number is a XS3 code of 9's complement of corresponding decimal number. Why do we need converters? To successfully retrieve the information sent from the center, to securely send the data, to avoid stealing of data. Conversion. A BCD digit can be converted to corresponding XS3 by simply adding on it. As same manner, we can convert XS3 to BCD by subtracting binary code 0011. That is, subtracting 3 from it. This is a circuit diagram of XS3 to BCD converter. Let's implement that circuit diagram in Electric Circuit Studio app. In this place, we can construct our circuits, and from down we can get components such as ground, capacitor, resistor. There will be more components, and we can also change its property from top side, such as delete, such as rotating, and we can even change their corresponding properties. For this circuit, we need AND gate, we need OR gate, NOT gate, and XOR gate. These are the gates we need. And another thing is, in digital circuits, we need switchable sources to change ones and zeros in circuits, and we can get these switchable sources from the bottom last. We will have 3 dots. Clicking on this, we will get this slide, and in this 5th place we will have switchable source. Clicking on this, we can get this. We can change, since we can see in this we have 01 inside. We will have minus symbol, such as a symbol like minus. It says it's 1. A long click on it will change to 0, that is, it indicates the 0. Another thing we need in digital is to indicate one or zeros, high or low in output. Here we will have switchable source in input, so we need like that in output, and here we are using LEDs. Here LED we can get even in the bottom place. After a Xeno diode, we can get LED, and this is an LED. Its and cathode will be connected to the output circuit, and the anode will be connected to the ground. It will be connecting like this. We can use it as LED. Let's connect this circuit. After connecting of circuit, this will be the outlook of circuits. LEDs are connected to the ground, and we are connecting switchable sources in inputs, and this is a circuit we saw in presentation. Let's check some of its output by keep clicking play button on top. Clicking on it, it will show this too. We can click on run. Keeping everything, we are getting this, but in XS3 we can't say the output for 1 1 1 1. So let's set 0. I said 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. We are getting 0. It means subtracting 0, 0, 1, 1 is a decimal number 3. Subtracting 3 by 3, we will get 0. That is a BCD value of 0011x63 code. So we are getting it. Let's try next one, 0100. Settings, we are getting 001 0001. It's correct. Next, let's set 0101. Setting 0101, we are getting 0010. Next, 0110. And we are getting 0011. Like this, we can set for every input of XS3 code, and we can get the BCD value of that corresponding XS3 code. We have implemented the circuit diagram in Electric Circuit Studio. Let's see the truth table of this particular circuit. This is a truth table of XS3 input to BCD output. Try this at your phone and check with this truth table. Thank you.